Let's talk about the last thing you do every day. That scroll, that glow. We all do it. You feel tired, but you pick up your phone anyway, just for a few minutes. But those few minutes, they are doing something scary inside your body. You think you're resting, but you're actually sending a panic signal to your brain. Listen carefully. I will explain why it's stealing your health. That screen is not innocent. It's stealing the one thing your body needs to survive. This is the blue light trap. Here is the simple truth. Your body runs a cleaning crew at night. They come out in the dark to sweep up toxins, fix broken cells, and get you ready for tomorrow. The blue light from your screen tells your body the sun is up, stay awake, and work. The key to starting that cleaning crew is a hormone called melatonin. Think of melatonin as the night watchman who unlocks the door and lets the cleaners in. When you scroll at 10 p.m., that blue light stops the night watchman instantly. No melatonin, no cleaning crew. You don't just feel tired. Your body is literally building up dirt and damage all night long. This constant lack of deep cleaning causes hidden trouble. The first target is your body weight. Fact 1. Your lack of sleep messes up the hormones that control hunger. You get too much of the eat now hormone and not enough of the stop eating hormone. It's like your body's brake and gas pedal are broken. Next, it hits your mood. Have you ever felt short-tempered, stressed, or overly worried the day after a bad night's sleep? Fact 2. Without sleep, the part of your brain that handles fear and stress gets stuck in the on position. It makes small problems feel huge. You are physically less able to handle the day because of your habit last night. We're not doctors, but the science is clear. Poor sleep is a slow-motion disaster for your heart, your weight, and your happiness. The great news is, the fix is free. It's not about buying anything, it's about setting a simple boundary. We call it the 90-minute digital sunset. 90 minutes before you want to sleep. Put the phone down, fully. Use that time to read a paper book, listen to a podcast, or just talk. This simple boundary gives the night watchman time to unlock the door. If you have to work late, use your phone's night mode or wear blue light blocking glasses. This makes the light less aggressive. This is more than just getting better rest. It's about taking back control of your health and adding more life to your hours. If you're ready to make a simple shift that changes everything, hit subscribe for the next health audit from Dr. ADA. Important reminder, we are video creators focused on health education, not medical doctors. This information is for learning and general health knowledge. It is not a replacement for advice from your own doctor. If you have serious health concerns, please see a qualified healthcare provider. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video from Dr. Ada. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more trustworthy and informative medical content designed to keep you healthy. We appreciate your support.